going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we are going over the Starcraft Super Lite 233ML. Let's begin our journey inside, where you'll find a haven of relaxation and functionality. Right when you walk in, you notice the large rear kitchen featuring a plethora of cabinet space. It features hardwood cabinet doors, a residential high-rise faucet, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and oven with a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. And this large dinette can be used for game nights, meals, and can even turn into a bed to sleep guests comfortably. Above that is the entertainment center featuring a TV and a JBL stereo system. Across from that would be, on a standard model, a trifold sofa, but we opted to stock ours with the upgraded theater seats instead. These are perfect for kicking back and relaxing for a nice movie or TV show. Now heading into the bathroom, which features a porcelain toilet, large shower with a glass door and skylight, and a large 2-door medicine cabinet and sink. Into the master bedroom features a 60-inch by 80-inch residential queen bed with gas strut storage below and lots of overhead storage. But that's not all for storage. This room has its own closet to really maximize your space, and another door for access inside and outside your camper, so you can go straight from your bedroom to the outdoors. This camper is packed with features that elevate your outdoor experience. Using tough shell vacuum bonded lamination, Starcraft walls combine welded aluminum framing, fiberglass sidewalls, and metal backers, ensuring your camper can handle the toughest conditions. They apply 144 tons for 16 to 18 minutes to ensure 100% adhesive coverage and curing. This allows you to stand up to the elements without being weighed down. Extend your camping season with climate packages featuring forced air heating and enclosed underbellies. This keeps you cool when it's hot out and warm when it's cold out. Starcraft has the best RV roof out there. Reinforced crown truss roof rafters with 3/8-inch fully walkable roof decking. Strength tested to 4,500 pounds, which is up to 50% stronger than the competition. This one is engineered to last. Your roof is a vital part of how your trailer is held together. So don't compromise integrity that has been built and trusted for years. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you're subscribed and leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. If you want to see more about this unit or more units we have in stock, check out our website, premierrv.com. And if you want to get in contact with us, check the description for that information. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.